Oh no.
What's wrong, Emma?
I just checked my bank account.
And?
Last week I went to the supermarket for milk.
That sounds normal.
I came home with cookies, chips, ice cream, chocolate, juice, and frozen pizza.
Let me guess. You spent way more money than you planned.
Exactly. $80.
For one carton of milk?
Apparently.
That's what happens when you shop without a list.
You're right. This week I made a shopping list.
Excellent! A shopping list is your best friend at the supermarket.
Would you like to come with me?
Sure. I need coffee, cereal, and a few other things.
Perfect. Let's go shopping.
We're here. The supermarket looks crowded today.
Weekends are always busy.
Let's grab a shopping cart.
Good idea.
Okay. What's first on the list?
Milk.
Let's find the dairy section.
Excuse me, where can we find the milk?
Milk is in aisle 7.
Thank you.
Aisle 7. Let's go.
Wow, there are so many choices. Whole milk, low-fat milk, skim milk, almond milk, oat milk, soy milk.
Shopping used to be much simpler.
I know. Sometimes choosing takes longer than buying.
Which one do you usually get?
Low-fat milk. What about you?
Almond milk.
Okay, milk is done.
What's next?
Eggs.
Right over here.
Should I buy 6 eggs or 12?
Definitely 12. You eat eggs almost every morning.
Good point. I'll take a dozen.
Now let's get bread.
The bakery section smells amazing.
Fresh bread always smells amazing.
Look at this. Everything looks delicious.
Try to stay focused. Remember the shopping list.
You're no fun.
I'm trying to save you money.
Fine. I'll take this whole wheat bread.
Good choice.
Next up, fruit and vegetables.
These apples look fresh.
And they're 20% off.
That's a great deal.
Everyone loves a discount.
Especially me.
I'll take 6 apples and a bunch of bananas.
What about vegetables?
Tomatoes, lettuce, and maybe some cucumbers.
Wait, maybe is how people spend extra money.
You're acting like a financial advisor.
Someone has to.
Okay, just tomatoes and lettuce.
Excellent. We're making progress.
Actually, we're doing really well.
Because we're following the list.
You're gonna mention that all day, aren't you?
Probably.
What's next?
Coffee, my favorite section.
Let's find it.
I don't see it.
Maybe it's in another aisle.
I've looked everywhere.
Let's ask someone. Can I help you?
Yes, please. Where can I find the coffee?
Coffee is in aisle 12.
Thank you very much.
See? Asking questions saves time.
And now I can get my coffee.
There are a lot of brands.
I always buy this one.
Isn't it expensive?
A little, but it's worth every penny.
You really love your coffee.
Absolutely.
Now, what about cereal?
It's right here. That was easy.
Let's check the cart. Milk, eggs, bread, apples, bananas, tomatoes, lettuce, coffee, and cereal.
Looks perfect.
Wait a second. What's this?
What?
Chocolate cookies?
Those are mine.
David, they're not on your list.
I know, but they were on sale.
That's how it starts.
They're only $3.
That's what everyone says.
Come on, life is better with cookies.
I can't argue with that.
See? Even you agree.
Fine. Keep the cookies.
Best shopping trip ever.
Let's head to the checkout.
Hello. Did you find everything you needed today?
Yes, thank you.
Wonderful. Your total comes to $48.20.
Much better than $80.
The shopping list worked.
Yes, you were right.
Please say that again.
Don't get used to it.
How would you like to pay?
Can I pay by card?
Of course. Please tap your card.
Done.
Would you like your receipt?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. That was easy.
Shopping becomes much easier when you know useful English phrases.
And when you make a shopping list.
Exactly.
Before we finish, let's review some useful vocabulary.
Shopping cart.
Aisle,
Discount.
on sale,
Checkout.
cashier,
Receipt.
fresh produce,
Shopping list.
worth every penny.
Great deal.
Now, repeat after us.
Where can I find the milk?
It's in aisle 7.
Is this item on sale?
How much does this cost?
Can I pay by card?
Would you like your receipt?
I'm looking for coffee.
Can you help me?
Excellent work.
The more you practice, the more confident you'll become.
Thank you for joining us today on Mod English.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep speaking English every day.
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, everyone.
Happy shopping.